Hey everybody, this is Quay at DoneDone, and I want to show you 3 new updates to the product. Now this first one is for the filter by title field here. You'll see this field both on the project and mailbox listing page, the Kanban page, as well as the tasks and conversation pages. In the past, you could only search or filter by the title of a task or conversation when you're in this field, but now we're allowing you also to search by the ticket number as well. So I can just type in a number here, and if it matches the other filters, it'll show up. I can also type in multiple numbers, and those tickets will appear. Just a quicker way to get to your tickets. In the past, the only way you could search by number was through the global search field, but now that's available on that filter by title field right there. The second one is a request a lot of people have been asking for, and that is the ability to update a customer's name for a conversation. So when a customer writes into your mailbox the very first time, we pull the from name from the email address, and that becomes the name of that customer. And up until now, there's no way to change that. Well, now if you roll over this, and you have to be an admin or owner of your account to do this, but if you roll over and click, you'll have the option to update the name of the person that's submitting the issue. So in this case, I can change the name here from Sam to maybe the first and last name, submit it, and now that gets updated. So that is now updated across the account. Anytime this person emails in again, that name will be changed. Again, that's only for admins and owners. If you want to change the person completely, you can do so just like you always have been able to. Just use the second option to change the customer for this conversation, and you can type in a new email address. Now the third one is another big one. It's the ability for the app to auto refresh. So on all of the major pages of DoneDone, the dashboard, the listing pages, the detail pages, you won't have to hard refresh to get new updates. I'll give you an example here. We are on the backend bugs and updates project. This is a project that we keep internally to track our bugs for the product. And I'm going to create a task. This is on my phone now. So I've created a new task on my phone. And if I just wait here, I don't have to refresh the page, but in a moment, you're going to see that this has now been updated. So this is added right here to the listing page. And so you're always up to date with whatever's current without having to do a refresh. Now things work a little bit differently for the detail pages. If you're on a conversation or task detail, we won't auto refresh the page, but instead you'll see a little bubble pop up. So if you're on a conversation and you're looking around, or trying to type a response and something changes, you'll see this little bubble pop up and it'll bounce a couple times initially. And so once you click on this, you'll actually see that not only does the page update, but it will scroll you down to whatever the new updates were for that conversation or task. So those are the 3 updates, and we hope you enjoy them. Thanks.